This is my poor dog. She's trying to poop, and it's up to her butt. Sorry, baby. As you can see, it's still coming down. It's no signs of stopping. Yeah. Look at my porch, what's left of it. So I'm going to have to eventually clean it off. I'm not liking this at all. Well, I almost made it to work, and I got stuck in a big snow pile. Snowdrift. They plowed the other side streets in, so I couldn't get to my job. And I had to turn around and come back home. Yep, I got stuck and nobody would help me. So, well, Jesus did, because I kept praying and going back and forth. And then I got out of it because of God's hand helped me. But, as you can see, poor thing. Yeah, poor dog. She has nowhere to go. And it's time you shovel it, it's just non-stop. Look at her. She's almost... Are you coming in? Or you just want to watch this stuff? Are you coming in? Yeah. Hey, Birdie. Birdie, you coming in? Come on. Come on in. Well, as you can see, this is a big storm.